Before the Samsung Unpacked launch, I was invited to Samsung at King's Cross to get hands-on with their latest products, which included the Galaxy S23 Ultra, the S23 Plus, and the baby, the S23. In this video, I'll be talking about the various colorways and finishes because let's be honest, no one wants to make the wrong decision, especially in this price category. Welcome everyone, I'm Zilla and I was lucky enough to check out the 4 different color options for the S23 series. So in today's video, I'll be comparing and showing you the differences between them, helping you decide which one to pre-order. I should say that the S23 Ultra, S23 Plus and S23 all come in the same colors, but before I get into it, hit that subscribe button and bell notification icon as I will be producing many videos about the Samsung's latest products, so you don't want to miss those. Right, back to business. There are 4 color variants available: Phantom Black, Green, Lavender and Cream. All 4 options have a matte finish back, and strangely the S Pen is black regardless of your color choice, with only the ejection button matching the frame of each colorway. The metal frames on the S23 series devices have a glossy finish, which I'll explain later in this video. The S23 Ultra looks almost identical to the S22 Ultra, but there are slight differences, meaning the camera layers are slightly different, meaning the S23 Ultra cases won't fit necessarily. So, let's get into it. First off, let's tackle the most subtle and underrated option, the Phantom Black. In my honest opinion, I really like this option because in person it looks much better than on camera. The finish is very similar to the Phantom Black S22 Ultra and the Black Z Fold 4. The black back has a subtle finish which shifts from almost black to smoky grey, which never looks like a deep jet black. The back, as expected, doesn't really show fingerprints unless you have very greasy or sweaty hands. Then when you shift the device, the smudges appear at various angles. The metal frame sandwiched in between the screen and the back panel has a glossy gunmetal finish, which is finished in a way which looks very classy and sleek, and the antenna bands are in a dark grey colour, almost identical to the metal frame. The Phantom Black is the colour choice for anyone looking for understated, classy and subtle. The next colour option is my favourite, the Cream. This is probably the cleanest and freshest colour in my opinion. The back panel is matte with the Samsung branding in a silver colour, which is only visible at certain angles. The cream colour is very bright, and as such there is a slight pearlescent colour shifting, and it does look luxurious in the flesh. The frame has a shiny silver finish, and the top and bottom look like a mirror and obviously pick up fingerprints easily. The frame and buttons match perfectly and complement the white, making it look overall very high-end. I would say this option is for anyone who doesn't want the boring black device but instead prefers a more fresh look. The third color option for the Galaxy S23 series is the green. Again, like the other colorways, the back has a matte finish. I would say the green color looks like the Fold 4 Phantom Green, but with a slightly less of a color shift. The metal frame is finished in a green color which looks like the hinge on the Fold 4. The frame looks very light in color, almost like a silver frame with a hint of green. It does really look like a very premium finish, but beware, the antenna bands are a touch darker than the frame and they have a flat finish, looking almost grey. Again, the metal frame is a fingerprint magnet, so you have been warned. It really does add that finishing touch to the overall colour of the phone by giving it a rich framing tone. And finally, the 4th colour option, the new Lavender colour. Again, a matte finish, fingerprints are hidden just like the other colour options. The metal frame is finished in a glossy coating, but is less reflective than the silver rails on the Cream S23 series, and they seem to show less fingerprints for some reason. The antenna bands blend in well, and the metal frame probably the closest colour match of all 4 colours. It is a more fashionable colour option in my eyes. I would say almost understated. I personally think this colourway is intended more for the consumers who are tired of boring black but are not looking for the flashiness of the cream. I'm tempted, but I'm not sure if the lavender would eventually bore me. So there you have it. The current colour options available for the Galaxy S23 series. So which is your favourite colour and why? Let me know in the comments below. Personally, my favourite is the cream because of the luxurious finish on the back panel and the contrasting silver frame. Again, like I said last year, I can't help feeling Samsung missed a trick here. They could have gone with other color options like red glass with a black frame or blue glass with a white frame as examples. What color combo would you like to have seen? Let me know in the comments below. I will be making loads more videos about the S23 series, including accessories, screen protectors, cases, and comparisons. So smash that subscribe button and bell notification icon, give me a thumbs up, and share this video on your social media, including Samsung groups and forums. Until next time, I'm Zilla saying take care and peace.